Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing procedures associated with lawful admission to the Kingdom of Thailand during this unfortunate series of travel restrictions we've been dealing with here these past few months. A lot of folks have been giving us feedback, clients that we've assisted in facilitating admission to Thailand, as well as other folks who are viewers of this channel, as well as other folks who just send me random emails, frankly. I think they're mostly viewers, but we also, we have a presence on Facebook, LinkedIn, elsewhere, Twitter, and folks do give us feedback from time to time. Some recent feedback regarding entry to Thailand from one source, and I'm quoting, "Once you land in Bangkok, you should take out only those docs that will be vetted during the final 4 health, disease, immigration checkpoints. I suggest putting these documents into a secure large sheet protector. I saw a few passengers dropping their docs as they fumbled with bags at checkpoints. Certificate of entry, T8 doc, that's T8 document. We've discussed that. That's a health document that needs to be dealt with by the airline, but it is handed out and it is dealt with also by the individual looking to enter Thailand. That's the T8 document, which you can get ahead of time, but will also be given to you by flight attendants. Arrival departure card, which is also given to you by flight attendants. Boarding pass, fit to fly certification, COVID-19 test results." So long story short, you need to have all this documentation, you need to have it ready to go, and you need to go ahead and have it with you to go ahead and enter Thailand. So you need to sort of have it on hand. I would have it in like a package, probably a plastic sealable package that you carry with you on the plane, and then when you come through immigration, they're going to put you through the health and safety protocols. They're also going to admit you through immigration, and you're going to want all this documentation on hand, readily available. As we've discussed in other videos on this channel, good idea to have multiple copies of documentation if possible. This is especially a good idea for connections. We found that connections can be a real sticking point. So when you're coming through, for example, Japan, Korea, or other countries, Singapore, that the connection flight can actually prove to be something of an obstacle, and documentation, especially copies, are good to have. So we've been told by various clients 3 or 4 copies are optimal. I think it's good to think that 4, sort of everything in quadruplicate, just for good measure, to be on the safe side, to have all the documents you need in order to transition through a layover in, a connection through another city, and ultimately admission into the Kingdom of Thailand.